Hey, it's Tambra here with Kane again, back on Cross Adventuring. We got Kane from Appalachian Adventures and Street Track and Trail Adventures. So we came out today for a women's clinic. We did some quick drills this morning in pouring rain, because that's the way it works for me, it seems to be. But we had a great time. Then we did a nice ride, went off-road, did some mudding, as you can tell.
Yeah. Got everybody nice and dirty.
Kane knew right where to take us. So Kane, we have something coming up that's going to be fun in May, just a few quick weeks.
Yeah, Great Adventures Beginner Rally, having it at Street Track and Trail. 3-day weekends. We're going to have the ORBDR movie. We're going to do some group rides. On Saturday and Sunday, we'll do slow races, the grass track. We'll have some food vendors in. It's going to be an awesome time. Yeah.
Yeah, actually that's where we met Kane last year, and it was a lot of fun. We did a nice ride with him. We came out the night before, camped out, met some great people, had a great ride the next day. So this year we're going to ramp it up a little bit. I'm going to try to keep getting some more women interested. We've really been ramping up our numbers over this last year, and it's been very exciting. Yeah. Kane's just a really good instructor, knows how to gear tours and clinics for beginners, for women, and it's just a really good thing. So
yeah, that's why we wanted to do it on a Mother's Day, so we wanted to include maybe some ladies that are interested but don't really know where to go or how to get into it. So we offer the opportunity to come out and talk to Tambra and these guys about how she got into it and her experiences with it. Maybe do a little demonstration, show some of the drills we've done today at the clinic, and get everybody a chance to kind of come out and check us out.
And this is a quick look at the size variety of the bikes.
Definitely.
You don't have to have the big bike. You can have a small bike, and this is for men or women. So there are a lot of ways to get into adventure riding that may not seem traditional. So we're going to cover some of that on Mother's Day weekend. But
definitely,
yeah.
Get people outside and outdoors, camping in the wilderness, riding through the wilderness.
Yeah.
That's the whole point of it.
Definitely.
Sure.
So it's good stuff. We hope you come and join us. Kane has a great website you can check out.
AppalachianADV.com.
And you can also check out the Street Track and Trail Adventures.
Yep.
They have
our new Instagram account, STnT.adventures. STnT.com for their website.
So yeah, we're really getting some good feedback over here. So thanks for watching. We'll be back in touch soon.